Hi everyone, I'm Bernice and this is Aurelia, and we're the agents on site here at Seaboard Junction, Paran Homes' newest 55 or better active adult community here in Loganville, Georgia. We're here to share all the excitement that we offer in this particular community. So Aurelia, tell them what we have.
I am so excited. We finally have our decorated model homes here at Seaboard Junction. This is going to be a fantastic community. It's actually a lifestyle community with full of amenities, gated entry, all ranch style villas, and you can invite your friends out to join you in the community.
Wonderful. We're so excited. We have two new floor plans that are decorated models, one of them being our Savannah plan. It's approximately 1,809 square feet, and it offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, a covered patio, and much more. So please come out and take a look at what we have to offer in that particular floor plan. The other model home that we offer is the Augusta floor plan. The Augusta floor plan is also 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and it also offers a covered patio. In this particular floor plan, you have the option to have the built-in bookcases along with the mud bench and a lot of other great features. And if you come out early enough, you'll get a chance to pre-sell and pick your own finishes at our design center. And currently, right now, we're offering
on our 2 homes in standing inventory, we have the Veranda plan, which has a sunroom, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a Savannah plan. It has the covered patio, and each of those plans we're offering $7,500 any way you want to use it. So come out, customize your home, and on our pre-sale lots, we have $5,000 in design options. That can go a long way.
This particular location is fantastic. It is in walking distance to shopping, dining, parks, and it's a great location. Also, our amenities will start real soon, which will include
clubhouse with meeting space and a catering kitchen. It'll have a cabana outside. We'll have activity area. We're gonna feature a dog park and a community garden. I can't wait till they get that started.
So we're excited, and I hope you're excited just by listening to us describe this beautiful active adult community here in Loganville. So please come out and visit us. Our address is 2793 Loganville Highway in Loganville, Georgia, or you can call us at 470-344-0341. Look forward to seeing you soon.